Welcome dear students to today's session of Summit for Max. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for further notifications. Let's get started. In today's session, we have three problems. The first of which is, if alpha and beta are the roots of 7x squared plus ax plus 2 is equal to 0 and beta minus alpha is equal to minus 13 by 7, find the value of a. Here the given equation is 7x squared plus ax plus 2 is equal to 0. We know that sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, which is minus a by 7. And product of the roots alpha beta is equal to c by a, which is 2 by 7. Here we are given beta minus alpha, but we know the formula for alpha minus beta as alpha plus beta the whole squared minus 4 alpha beta. Given beta minus alpha is equal to minus 13 by 7, alpha minus beta is equal to 13 by 7. The negative sign vanishes here. So we can substitute 13 by 7 in place of alpha minus beta. And alpha plus beta is minus a by 7 and alpha beta is 2 by 7. So we get 13 by 7 is equal to root of a squared by 49 minus 8 by 7. Taking LCM within the root, we get a squared minus 56 by 49. After all simplifications and squaring both sides, we get a squared minus 56 is equal to 169, which implies a squared is equal to 169 plus 56, which is 225. Therefore, a is equal to plus or minus 15. So that's the answer. The next problem is, if one root of the equation 2y squared minus ay plus 64 is equal to 0 is twice the other, then find the value of a. So we are given the equation 2y squared minus ay plus 64 is equal to 0. So sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, which is a by 2 here. And product of the roots alpha beta is equal to c by a, which is 64 by 2. So we get 32. It is given that one root of the equation is twice the other, which means alpha is alpha and beta is 2 times alpha. So we can substitute here in alpha beta is equal to 32, beta as 2 alpha, we get 2 alpha squared is equal to 32. So alpha squared is 16, which implies alpha is equal to plus or minus 4. Now let us find out the value of beta. Beta is equal to 2 times alpha. So 2 into plus or minus 4. So which is equal to plus or minus 8. Beta is equal to plus or minus 8. Now let us substitute these two values in equation 1. Therefore, we get plus or minus 4 plus or minus 8 is equal to a by 2. So we get plus or minus 12 is equal to a by 2. So a is equal to plus or minus 24. That's the final answer. The next problem for today's session is, if one root of the equation 3x squared plus kx plus 81 is equal to 0, having real roots, is the square of the other, then find k. Here the equation is 3x squared plus kx plus 81 is equal to 0. We are given that alpha is equal to alpha and one root is the square of the other, so beta is equal to alpha squared. Sum of the roots from the equation is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, which is minus k by 3, and product of the roots alpha beta is equal to c by a, which is 81 by 3, which is equal to 27. We are given that beta is equal to alpha square. Alpha into alpha squared is equal to 27, which is alpha cube is equal to 27, which implies alpha is equal to 3. Substituting 2 in 1, we get 3 plus 3 squared is equal to minus k by 3. So 3 plus 9 is equal to minus k by 3. So 12 into 3 is equal to minus k, which implies k is equal to minus 36. That's the answer. Hope the session was interesting. For much more, please subscribe to the channel Samad for Maths. Thank you.